Population explosion means a rapid rise in the number of people. It's a serious issue, especially in developing countries. When the population grows too fast, it's hard to provide enough food, water, homes, and jobs. This growth happens due to better medical care and lack of education, which leads to more birth. The result? Crowded cities, more unemployment, rising poverty, and harm to the environment, like deforestation and pollution. To control this, we need to raise awareness about family planning, improve education, and empower women to make informed choices. Government must also support smaller families and ensure access to healthcare. Let's work together for a better and balanced future. Where every child has access to food, education, and opportunity. By taking small steps today, we can protect our planet and ensure a better life for generations to come. Thanks for watching.